people are making thousands of dollars every month by selling digital services online.
$600,000 this month alone.
I've made millions of dollars with dropshipping.
$500 a day working from home.
I can make hundreds of thousands of dollars with AI.
It's called AI dropshipping. No products, no shipping. Just digital tools and social media services. All automated. Anyone can do this from anywhere in the world. So I decided to test it myself for 7 days, using a free ebook that shows exactly how this business works. Let's see how much we can make, and how you can copy the exact same system. So, let's get started. Step 1. Find your supplier. Just like traditional dropshipping, the first thing you need is a supplier. But here, instead of shipping products, you'll be offering online services. There are platforms where you can get services related to social media, marketing tools, automation, and digital growth at very low prices. Your job is to connect these services to customers who need them. And that's where your business starts. Step 2. Build your website. Next, you'll need to create a clean, optimized website that acts as your store. This is where people can browse your services, place orders, and contact you. You can build your site easily. Set your own pricing structure. For example, if a service costs you $1, you can sell it for $5 or $6. That's a healthy margin. And when your site starts getting traffic, the profits scale up quickly. Step 3. Attract customers. Now comes the most important part, bringing in customers. You can use free methods like sharing valuable tips on social media or paid ads on platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Focus on building trust and showing real examples of what your services can do. People love seeing results. Once you get your first few clients, momentum builds fast. Step 4. Automate and grow. After your first few sales, automate as much as possible. Use order forms, simple dashboards, or email tools to manage everything. You'll start seeing consistent notifications from your site. And that's when you realize this system really works. You're basically running a digital drop shipping business. Final step. If you want to learn the full step-by-step process, including the platforms I use and how to get your first clients, I've put everything inside a free ebook. You can download it at www.anizom.site or through the link in the description. Start today, keep learning, and remember, small steps every day can turn into something big. You've got this. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to start your own online dropshipping business using digital services. It's simple, affordable, and anyone can do it, even if you're starting with zero experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos on making money online and building digital income streams.